Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by narrowing your scope. Pick one specific question and the keywords that map to it, because unfocused searches waste time. Once done, run quick test searches in 2-3 databases to see which keywords return the most relevant papers. Make sure to set date and language limits to avoid overload. Then create a simple spreadsheet with columns for citation, summary, methods, and relevance so you can capture evidence as you read. This both organizes and speeds your next steps. You now move into systematic reading. Skim abstracts first and assign a relevance tag from 1 to 3 so you prioritize. Once done, open full texts for high-priority items and extract 1 to 2 sentence summaries explaining the core finding and the method. This explains why the paper matters. Make sure to highlight key quotes and note page numbers for later citation. Simultaneously tag themes, contradictions, and gaps in your spreadsheet so patterns start to emerge as you process more sources. You finish by synthesizing grouped findings. Take the themed clusters and write concise synthesis paragraphs that explain how studies connect and where gaps remain, because reviewers read synthesis, not isolated summaries. Once done, create an outline for your review using those syntheses as section headers, and transfer essential quotes with citations into the draft. If things go wrong, duplicate entries or contradictory data, make a reconciliation log, check original texts, and note unresolved inconsistencies to address in limitations or future work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.